Okay, so I received this as an email today from YouTube. Close that. This close. Okay. Hi there. Oh, yeah. YouTube partner support at google.com. Yeah, thank you for providing your channel URL. Let's go ahead and check the current situation you have. I know you're worried because your channel is still on pending review for the monetization program. Let me provide more details to this. We would like to let you know that we are still monetizing partner with kids content. I don't make kids content. And if your channel is not for kids, we completely understand that. As a creator, you know your content best. We can't give a guidance on whether you accurately set your audience as made for kids. If it's not made for kids, then you can simply change the settings not made for kids. On the other hand, we can't speed up your application for the YouTube Partner Program. Some channels require multiple reviews. I call BS, especially if multiple reviewers disagree on your channel's suitability for YPP. On the As a participant in the YouTube Partner Program, you must meet several content quality guidelines. We've included some examples of content that don't meet these standards because it seems reused content. I don't make reused content, you morons. See, that's what you are to me. Morons. You don't understand your own website. You don't understand fair use. You do not understand U.S. copyright law. Neither do these corporations who lie and claim they do. If you did, you would understand what modified works are, which is what I make. I don't need to go to a court to understand what fair use is. And you have all these people out there who go, oh well, this isn't fair use. This is just, you took someone else's content. Do you not have eyes? Do you not understand what an animation is? Because it sounds like you don't understand what animations are. Or anything for that matter. If you want to create content that can be monetized, here are some best practices. Add commentary or show your presence in the videos. Oh, like this. Voice or on screen. Link back to your YouTube channel from your website. Provide more context about your work in your video and channel descriptions. Well, I have been providing more context, and you don't promote original content. You don't promote the original content I do have. Also, I need to shave soon. I let this get too long. So yeah, this was what I got today from YouTube. Just more more bullshit. That's how it sounds. People can disagree, fine, but I don't see this as helpful. Third-party video stitched together with minimal or no changes. Content uploads somewhere else first. Content upload maintains multiple users. Third-party content compiled without a narrative. Oh, yeah. So basically, you're saying that anyone who does animations isn't original. Do you know how screwed up that sounds? I mean, seriously, it's basically saying, oh well, you should make vlogs, and you should make makeup tutorials, and you should do stuff that is boring, insipid, and vapid. Because that's how I do see some of what's on trending. I hate what's on trending now. It doesn't represent me, or it doesn't represent the content I make. Why would I be interested in most of it? Especially when you allow people like Logan Paul to still operate a channel or have a presence on the site. You want to combat kids. You really want to get into it. You guys promote a freaking child a channel called Ryan's World, which is run by a 10-year-old and his parents or whatever. And there's millions of views. Do you understand, YouTube, why the FTC went after you and Google? Do you get it? The content I make doesn't violate copyright. It doesn't violate your guidelines. And yet, because you have this narrow band view of animation, you throw me in there with it when I'm making content that doesn't appeal to just children. It doesn't appeal to kids. If you actually understood what the hell you're doing, you might gain a few brain cells yourself and go, well, you know what? That guy may be using, MLP characters, but he's doing it in a manner compliant with the law. He's making something new out of it. It's just a thought, YouTube. You allow trolls and copyright abusers to plague your site, but the content that I make or anyone in my fandom makes, that's more of a problem than, people who upload, entire movies. I've seen, and I can understand why they do that. Some channels upload entire episodes of a TV show or movie because they're sick of giving out paying money for it when this is the 21st century. This is not the 1950s. It's called digital distribution for a reason. Why do you think some sites do free streaming services every once in a while? Because they know how to tap into that market. And apparently you don't. And yes, this is sounding like a rant, so I'm going to end the video here. Thank you. And hopefully I can get my other microphone working and I can get back to recording my Starcraft 2 videos. Because, according to this, just doing my animations, is reused content according to these morons.